Welcome to Breakout EDU, the Witches of Breakout. The witches held their national convention in our room last night. We found out they made plans to turn everyone who isn't a witch into a black cat or a bat. They locked the spell they need in the Breakout EDU box. The spell was written in magic ink, and if it stays in the box for more than 45 minutes, it will be cast. If we can open the box before the 45 minutes are up, contact with air will break the spell. Work together to unlock the boxes and undo the magic of the Witches of Breakout. Lock setup. The 3-digit lock should be set to 432, 4-digit lock to 5214, directional multi-lock to left, up, right, up, down, and the ABC multi-lock set to spell. Game overview. Make sure you print everything in the resource folder. You may also want to make sure there's some graph paper available for students, and if you don't have an actual cauldron in the room, you will want to print the images of the witch's cauldron. Place the You Broke the Spell sign inside the large Breakout EDU box. Attach the hasp, the 4-digit lock, ABC multi-lock, directional multi-lock, and key lock. Using the UV pen, circle the word casting on the key lock clue. Place this clue inside the small box and attach the 3-digit lock. Place the 5 Halloween shops on a table, making sure graph paper is also available. Players should notice the words plot, slopes, and Y. They will also see that 3 of the shops have coordinate pairs as the address. When these points are plotted and connected, they will discover a line. And they will need to find the slope of the line, which is 4/3, and the y-intercept is -2. The combination to the small box is 4, 3, 2. The Mad Gab is the clue for the key lock. When students read it out loud several times, they should hear themselves saying the phrase, "The key is by the witch's cauldron." Place the key under or near a real cauldron or an image of a cauldron. The 4-digit lock clue is the Telltale Heart poster. When students visit the hyperlink from the poster, they will find a 4-question quiz on the Telltale Heart. Have a copy of the story, which you can print from the resources, or a copy in a book available for students to reference. The directions tell them to check their score and that feedback is important, so when they finish the quiz and get all 4 questions correct, they should view their score. When they check the feedback, they will see each question has a number in the feedback at the bottom. High 5, you are too smart, you won, and run for mayor, giving them the numbers 5, 2, 1, and 4. You will need to set up the Locks app with a text lock with the combination of Sam Hain. The QR code, when scanned, will give them part of the clue in text, the festival celebrated at the end of the harvest, and then there will be a link to a video. When they watch the video, they will come up with Sam Hain. When that is entered into the Locks app, they will be given the clue for the key lock. The direction lock clue uses the tickets to the Society of Witches National Conference and the arrows with the Halloween figures on them. The players will match each ticket to one of the figures, and when they are put in order according to the time on the ticket, they will have the combination to the direction lock. Left, left, down, up, right. Once all the locks have been removed, the students have broken the spell and broken out. If you have any questions, please email info@breakoutedu.com.